Today we are going to perform the experiment, the verification of Kirchhoff laws. So the aim of the experiment is to verify the Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law for the given circuit. The apparatus required for this experiment are the regulated DC power supply, the resistor kit, the 3 ammeters I1, I2 and I3 for the current, the digital multimeter and the connecting wires. Coming to theory, as we know, Kirchhoff voltage law states that in any closed circuit or mesh, the algebraic sum of the EMFs, that is electromotive forces, and the voltage drops is equals to 0. So, applying Kirchhoff voltage law to the first and second loops in the circuit shown in the figure. And coming to Kirchhoff current law, Kirchhoff current law states that the algebraic sum of currents flowing towards a junction in an electric circuit is 0, or the algebraic sum of currents entering the junction is equal to the algebraic sum of currents leaving the junction. So, we have to apply the Kirchhoff current law to the nodes A and B in the circuit shown in the figure. So, coming to procedure, here the connections are given as per the circuit diagram. So, here R1 is taken as 100 ohms, R2 is taken as 50 ohms, R3 is taken as 200 ohms, R4 is taken as 5 ohms and R5 is taken as 10 ohms. Now coming to connections, the regulated DC power supply is connected across the R1, 100 ohms. The negative of R1 is connected to the positive of ammeter I1. The negative of ammeter I1 is connected to the positive of ammeters I2 and I3. The negative of ammeter I3 is connected to the positive of R3, 200 ohms, and the negative of 200 ohms is connected to the positive of R4, 5 ohms. The negative of 5 ohms is connected to the negative of R2, 50 ohms. The negative of 50 ohms is connected to the negative of 10 ohms, and the positive of R5, 10 ohms is connected to the negative of DC power supply. The positive of 50 ohms is connected to the negative of I2. Now, before switching on the supply, ensure that the current and voltage knobs should be at minimum position. Now, switch on the supply by switching the switches. Now, switch on the regulated DC power supply. Now, slowly vary the voltage to 15 volts. Note down the values of ammeter I1, I2 and I3 currents. Now switch on the multimeter by setting the voltage to 20 volts DC. Now note down the voltage values across each resistance as shown. The voltage shown is as 9.9 volts. So, now repeat the experiment for various circuit voltages by operating regulated power supply. So, after completion of the experiment, now minimize the values of voltage to 0 and switch off the power supply.